Think you know your fruits and vegetables? Let's put your knowledge to the test with 50 fun and surprising true or false questions. From juicy facts to tricky myths, this quiz will challenge your brain and maybe even make you hungry. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you get right. Ready? Let's go! Tomatoes are vegetables. True or false? False. They're technically fruits. Carrots grow underground. True or false? True. Bananas grow on trees. True or false? False. They grow on large herbaceous plants, not trees. Potatoes are fruits. True or false? False. They're tubers, not fruits. Avocados are a type of berry. True or false? True. All fruits are sweet. True or false? False. Some like tomatoes or avocados aren't sweet. Cucumbers are vegetables. True or false? False. Botanically, they are fruits. Strawberries are not true berries. True or false? True. Botanically, they are not true berries. Peanuts are vegetables. True or false? False. They are legumes. Celery is a root. True or false? False. It's a stalk. Eggplant is a fruit. True or false? True. Corn is a vegetable. True or false? False. It's a grain and also considered a fruit. Pineapples grow on trees. True or false? False. They grow on the ground from a spiky plant. Onions are bulbs. True or false? True. Rhubarb is a fruit. True or false? False. It's a vegetable. You can eat the skin of a kiwi. True or false? True. It's edible and full of fiber. Broccoli is a flower. True or false? True. It's the flowering part of the plant. Chili peppers are fruits. True or false? True. Lettuce is a fruit. True or false? False. It's a leafy vegetable. Peas are seeds. True or false? True. Carrots help improve night vision. True or false? True. Due to vitamin A. Bananas are high in potassium. True or false? True. Spinach is high in iron. True or false? True. Fruits have no sugar. True or false? False. They contain natural sugars. Vegetables have more calories than fruits. True or false? False. Usually, fruits have more due to sugar content. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C. True or false? True. You should never eat fruit seeds. True or false? False. Many are edible, like in apples or pomegranates. Grapes can come in red, green, and black. True or false? True. Sweet potatoes are the same as yams. True or false? False. They're different plants. Beets are naturally sweet. True or false? True. Zucchini is a type of squash. True or false? True. Apples float in water. True or false? True, because they are 25% air. Fruits can grow in space. True or false? True. Astronauts grow plants like lettuce and tomatoes. You can eat the leaves of a radish. True or false? True. Watermelons are 90% water. True or false? True. Cherries grow underground. True or false? False. They grow on trees. Grapefruit is a hybrid fruit. True or false? True. It's a cross between orange and pomelo. Artichokes are flowers. True or false? True. Cauliflower and broccoli are related. True or false? True. Both are in the Brassica family. You can't eat raw asparagus. True or false? False. It's edible raw. Pumpkins are vegetables. True or false? False. They are fruits. Coconut is a nut. True or false? False. It's a drupe, not a true nut. Kiwi fruit is native to Australia. True or false? False. Kiwi fruit originally comes from China. Limes are just unripe lemons. True or false? False. They're separate fruits. Onions grow underground. True or false? True. All mushrooms are vegetables. True or false? False. They are fungi. Oranges are always orange. True or false? False. They can be green in warm climates. You can eat raw corn. True or false? True. Young corn is edible raw. Lettuce is commonly used in salads. True or false? True. Strawberries have seeds on the outside. True or false? True. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun challenges and food facts. Thanks for playing. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you in the next quiz.